Welcome. Today's video will show you exactly how to turn off new follower notifications on X, formerly known as Twitter, when using the web version on your computer. This is based on the latest update, so the layout may look slightly different than before. But don't worry, we'll go step by step together. Let's get started. First, open x.com on your preferred web browser and log into your account. Once you're in, look at the menu on the left side of your screen. You'll see options like Home, Explore, Notifications, Messages, and more. Click on Notifications. When your notifications page opens, look toward the top right corner. You'll find a small gear icon labeled Settings. Click on it to open your notification settings panel. This is where you can customize exactly what kind of notifications you want to receive and which ones you'd rather turn off. Next, go to the section called Preferences. Inside Preferences, click on Push Notifications. This section controls all the alerts that appear on your device or browser. You'll see different categories that allow you to manage what X notifies you about. Now, under the part that says Related to you and your posts, find the option labeled New Followers. If you're tired of constant alerts every time someone follows you, this is the one you'll want to adjust. Simply uncheck the box next to New Followers. This immediately stops X from sending push notifications whenever a new account follows you. Once that's done, you can close the settings panel. There's no need to manually save, it's updated automatically. From now on, you'll still gain followers normally, but you won't be notified about each one. This can make your online experience much calmer and less distracting, especially if you have a large audience or just want to focus on your main feed. And that's it. You've successfully turned off new follower notifications on X Web for PC. Thanks for watching.